Hey everybody, welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I'm Gandharva. Please share these videos. Please contribute if you can. Today's Tuesday, it's Warrior Day. Warrior. Warrior. I said that. It's fire. It's strength, it's willpower. It's never giving up. Charlie Hayden, warrior man, warrior bass player. I've got the warrior in my vital body. Just like Jane does and Giovanni does. So for us, today is a day of strengthening our self-confidence and strengthening our immune system and strengthening our mental health. By never giving up on our immune system, never giving up on our mental health, never giving up on our confidence and self-esteem. I'm going to read from one of my favorite warrior books, the Book of the Samurai, the Hagakure. How to be a warrior. The basic meaning of etiquette is to be quick at both the beginning and the end, and tranquil in the middle. Quick at the beginning, quick at the end, tranquil in the middle. Not to borrow the strength of another, nor to rely on one's own strength, to cut off past and future thoughts, and not to live within the everyday mind, then the great way is right before one's eyes. Not to borrow the strength of another, nor to rely on one's own strength, to cut off past and future thoughts, and not to live within the everyday mind, then the great way is right before one's eyes. Hey. Here's a good little story. Once a group of 10 blind masseuses. Blind masseuses. Once a group of 10 blind masseuses were traveling together in the mountains. When they came to pass along the top of a precipice, they all became very cautious. Their legs shook, and they were all in general struck with terror. Then the leading man stumbled and fell off the cliff. Those that were left all wailed, "Ah, how piteous." That's what they said. How piteous. But the masseuse who had fallen yelled up from below, "Don't be afraid. Although I fell, it was nothing. I am now rather at ease. Before falling, I kept thinking, what will I do if I fall? And there was no end to my anxiety. But now, I've settled down. If the rest of you want to be at ease, fall quickly. If the rest of you want to be at ease, fall quickly. Fall quickly. If the rest of you want to be at ease, take my advice. Fall quickly. Fall quickly. Quicker the better.